Oh, big. Oh my gosh. That's a giant. There's a shark. There's a shark.
Shark.
Oh,
loosen your drag.
that's
Loosen
a
your
giant.
drag. Loosen your drag.
Yeah, let him go. Let him go.
What's up, guys? Had a month hiatus from tournament fishing, and I've been kind of laying low down here in Florida, doing a lot of fishing with some good people, and particularly today down in the Everglades. I've had some spectacular, crazy few days, and today is really cool for me because I get to bring my good friend out, and her first time in the Everglades. So we're trying to put her on some fish. We got an incredible tailing red bite this morning on the flats. We doubled up, caught some really nice upper slot reds. GoPro formatted the SD and deleted all the footage, but nah, that's okay. Right now we're trying to catch some live bait, and we're gonna fish this channel. So we're trying to get a bunch of pinfish, and then when the falling tide comes, got a little hole, we're gonna try to get in some big snook. Oh, pinfish.
Fighting like a pin. Swing him over here.
You are the catfish slayer.
I hate catfish. You know how much I hate them.
Bree, they must, because this is getting out of hand.
It's ridiculous. Oh, I got one. Is it a pin?
Pinfish!
Yes!
Got him.
Get him!
Not the snook.
You!
Nice one.
Oh, are you okay?
Yep.
You got me, G? Yeah! Watch your hands. I can feel that shark's gonna like just get it in the boat. Nice snook. Yeah. That was sweet. Shoot again. I'm gonna get us like that's where we need to be. You got one?
Maybe. Yeah, I'm not.
Oh, okay.
Whoops.
Alright, Bree, hook
Gave him a long time to eat. I think this is a shark though.
Really?
You never know. There's big snook in here.
Giant snook in here, Bree.
Yeah.
Really?
Yep.
I know, I'm just concerned about that shark.
Oh, Bree, that might be a snook.
Really? I feel like there's a shark on it, at least. Like chasing him hard.
Is he coming up?
We're just getting close.
Uh-huh.
We're just getting close.
It's a permit.
Oh!
No, it's a jack. It's a jack.
Oh, it's a jack, okay.
Oh my gosh.
A permit would have almost fooled you.
That is a big one.
That got me tired actually.
Everglades first time.
This is amazing. Like, this is one of the coolest places I think I've ever been.
Yeah, it's so cool. You got wildlife and our creation all over the place. Just, you got him? Get him, Bree. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Get him, Bree. Oh, that looks big, Bree. Holy cow. That's definitely not a shark though.
I just like to try to control their head and get them up so
Yep.
I can see what they are.
That's smart. This is not Bree's first time with salt things. Y'all don't know that already. You've been living under a rock. What is it? Oh my gosh, Bree. What is it?
I don't know. Hopefully not running from a shark. It's heavy. It's real heavy.
Does it feel sharky?
Not yet.
Here.
I'm gonna get us in a shallow water, because if it is a giant snook, our best shot is in shallow water.
I haven't seen a splash. I haven't seen anything.
Yeah, that makes me...
I'm used to that offshore water that's clear.
This ain't clear.
Clear. All of a sudden, those sharks just come out of nowhere.
Yeah, that's what's scary. I'm gonna get anxious with him trying to get those fish up. I got your wayfinding too.
shallow water here.
It's I think it's a big old jack.
Yeah, big jack.
I might be foul
That's a
hooked.
big jack.
Big jack.
All right, now that I know that, I'm like, whatever.
Yeah, now it doesn't really matter as much.
As long as it's not a big old snook. Although
Those things fight so hard though.
they do.
They're private tuna family, right?
They're like an either.
Yeah.
If you want, you can grab its tail.
Okay.
Got one.
That's definitely a snook. Maybe a jack.
There you
That's a
go.
jack.
Should be in shallow water. It's a jack.
Yeah. Little baby jack. I know. I don't understand why they don't do that.
There you go.
Get him out, get him out. Is he out?
Nope, he's stuck.
Oh, gosh.
I'm gonna go in for him, okay?
You got him out? I got him out. Oh, it's a blue. It's like Goliath grouper.
Yep.
That is super cool.
Gee, we get it for
What? That is super
We're not really
cool.
allowed to, like, I guess it's a baby.
Cool.
Oh, that's super cool. Nicely done, Bree.
Rip that sucker out of there. Oh, it's a good snook. Yep. Get it.
Is it filming?
Wow,
Yeah.
that straightened my hook. Woo! Get it, Christine. Nice.
Yes!
Oh, Bree, we got a double.
Alright.
Right in the water.
Look at those dolphins. Look at them pushing all the mullet.
Yeah, I saw this on TV.
Isn't that cool?
This is like a very unique behavior, like specifically for this area, that they learned how to like hunt together, and like they make the mud ring, and then they all get scared, and then they jump, and then the dolphins sit there and they jump into their mouths.
Oh, that's so cool.
Yep. Oh, he is there. Get him. Did you get him? Ready? Shoot. I'm hooked up. You got hooked up too?
Nice!
There you go, Christine.
Sharked. Another snook. Yes,
Woo!
double.
Nice!
That's a good one.
Doubled up!
That was cool. Hey, how about you catch them for a little bit? Getting them away from the tax man
Yeah.
is the challenge. We're doing good though. Got heavier gear,
Heavier gear.
getting us fish in the boat.
Race school if you have to. Fish. I'm tired.
Dude, when I went out with you on the jet skis, after one bonita, my shoulders were like on fire. I am not in shape for that. I'd like to be, but
I feel like it's like the
it was real.
yeah.
Those largemouth don't wear me out like that. Got him?
Yep.
Nice. What you got? What you got? If you need to come, oh, nice. No.
Yeah.
Nice. Bree, be careful, please.
Always.
Nice. Good job, you guys.
We've been catching them.
We caught the crap out of them. We've doubled up on
a break.
We've literally doubled up on 3 different species. Huh? Got one? Get him. Nice. What is it?
There's a shark on it.
That's a nice one.
Where's he at?
Oh, there's a shark on him. There's a shark on him. Just be careful. Nice. Nice. That shark ain't getting anything today.
Yeah.
Nothing.
On the sea deck. There we go. That's a beaut.
Oh.
Guide Bree.
Girl. Oh, thanks.
What'd you say?
I feel like such a girl.
Careful.
Careful. There it goes.
Hurting on those redfish in the morning. Oh, freaking killed it.
So cool.
Mm-hmm. Uh-oh.
What?
Uh-oh.
Sharks?
You got bit off?
Yep.
Was it a
Immediately.
shark?
My bait was dead. Had to have been though.
Yeah. Sharks are real.
I had to drag way too tight. He's on it, I think, but I have him tail hooked, so I think he's got it.
Whoa. That's nice.
Love it.
There you go.
Oh, nice snook.
Yeah.
That one.
Woo!
Sorry.
Love these fish. These fight way harder than freshwater fish.
Yeah. Oh, I think he let go. Or no, he's coming right at me.
He's coming right at you. Get him, Bree. Get him.
Yeah.
He's gonna come around the motor again, isn't he?
This way, I guess.
Oh, big! Oh my gosh! Bree! That's a giant! There's a shark! There's a shark!
Shark.
Oh,
Loosen your drag,
that's
loosen
a
your
giant.
drag,
That's
loosen
a,
your drag.
Yeah, let him go. Let him go. That's a giant snook. Holy cow! That's over. That's got to be over 40.
No.
You don't think so?
That's like a 33.
I have a
No
circle
way.
hook on him. I have a circle hook, so I probably
Where's it?
still have him, but
Oh.
Real?
I just opened the bail to see.
Yeah, we got to get him out of that way from that shark.
He's all the way up there.
Okay, go, 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 go. Oh, the.
I got him.
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know?
I opened the bail.
Did the shark get him?
He was going for him hard.
God, he's on him.
Right. Oh, let's see. Yeah, he was on him hard.
You got him. You got him.
Ready?
Careful, careful, careful.
Just
Careful. Oh, gosh. Bree, that's crazy.
That's why you open the bail,
Let
though,
him
to
run.
give that fish a chance. He would have just been
Dipping toes.
annihilated by that shark head.
Yeah,
had we kept
that's
that
a-
bail tight.
Hi guys, so there was a shark hanging out in the area. Kind of pointless to keep fishing for snook because it just wasn't a good idea. When that shark started hanging around, we were gonna bolt and we're back on a flat, gonna try to catch some redfish and maybe a bonefish. We'll see.
looking at Ray. She was
scared me.
Jack behind the Ray.
Oh, I was behind a ray. I was like, I got one.
I wish we didn't have to go.
We caught a lot of fish though.
I could
Yeah,
hit
we
like
did.
5 more flats today.
That was so cool.
And cut. All right, we got to get back to the ramp because we're hoping the marina has diesel. If it doesn't, we're probably not going to make it. It is. Yeah, it totally should. Yeah, it's not your fault, G. Yeah, the truck has no gas. So we got to go. Caught a lot of fish though, a lot of fun. Y'all be sure to go check out Bree's channel. We did an offshore trip on her sea-doo. The two of us on the sea-doo and caught the absolute crap out of fish. It was awesome. So go check that out. That's on her channel. I'm headed off to fish a tournament on Lake Erie, and then guys, I'm back in the rhythm. Got 3 tournaments in a row. So stay tuned for some tournament recaps, and thanks for watching, y'all. Take care.
Look at the manatees. Oh, they're so cool.
All right, guys, we made it back to the marina. They are letting us fill up with diesel, so we are safe. That's a typical trip for me though. Something usually always goes wrong, or there's there's somebody looking out for us. That's always good. Awesome day. I've so enjoyed fishing down here. This is so different. I mean, I'm a rook to this stuff. What was that? I am a total rook to this stuff. I've done some inshore fishing, but never caught a snook before. So this time down the glades, caught my first snook, caught some big snook, got to do some awesome fishing with my good friend Bree, and honestly had a look at that. Oh, they're so big. Had a much needed break, and oh man, they're so cool. Oh man, a face only a mother could love. Anyway, got distracted, like I said. However, I'm itching to get back into competition, itching for tournament time. Got my next one on Lake Erie, so I fly back tomorrow to Columbus, drive the truck up, and it's go time. So again, thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for the support. Y'all be good and go catch them this weekend, all right?